Hola, gitxi gora bera. Argitxasuna. Ja. Mikrofonua. Ez da ez dela... Ez da ez ikusten? Zelako hemen hau. Bai, entzuten da ondo? Ia, zelan entzuten da berau? Joder, me cago en la puta. Ez dago aukerarik... Ez dago aukerarik... Bueno. Bueno, dana autopera, PC Master Race. Ez dago aukeri hizkuntza aldatuteko? A ver, venda. Venga, españolazo. Vale. Vale. Ja. Ondo. Da, zelan entzuten da joku, Joku ondo entzuten da edo baju edo ondo. Arkakuso, zo bakarri zuz ikusten zeu usatie. Zeu zan hori lehenengo fana. Edo zer, edo lesto... Bueno, vale. Bueno, asingo nahi. Ia zelako sustu kartxino data zen. El miedo y la oscuridad son tus enemigos. No juegues al juego para ganar. Simplemente disfruta de la historia. Ya, barria nuen. Joder, txako.
There is a moment when you realize what the pain has made of you. In hiding, curled in on yourself, unable to show the world your face. Acting on instinct, lashing out. Even at those closest to you. Time has passed, and time is a thief. It has stolen your memories. The agony has faded, but so has every precious moment of joy. You have been hollowed out from the inside. And there's nothing left of the person you used to be. But you try. You try to remember how to smile. You try to remember how to love. And one day you crawl out from your hiding place and step back into the world. And then, every day, you do what you must to survive. soon.
Yes, yes, I know. It's hard though. Your head tells you one thing, but your heart disagrees.
Try to sleep.
I couldn't. I keep imagining what might go wrong.
I know someone who can help you.
And who's that? Marka. Oh, I had no idea you broke it.
I didn't want him to be lonely.
I know, my heart. It's good for him to have an adventure. He'll be glad when this journey's over, I think. He's had a hard life.
And there's so much more to come.
Alex? Sherry.
Yasmin, get up here! Hello. Hello. I'll choose. Can anyone read me? Mayday! Mayday! This is the song. Do you read? Stay with me, baby!
Don't forget. Don't lose it. No. No, come on. Need to find him. He must understand. Don't forget. It's her. It's all because of her. Focus. I am Tessie. I am still Tessie. Fight it. Don't give in. You can make it. Don't forget. Don't lose yourself.
I have laudanum. It will help, but you must try to keep calm, or it will get worse. Do not allow yourself anger. Do not allow yourself to fear. You understand me, Tasi?
What happened? Where are they all? Where's Salim?
Zagoe bigundu bidot, barkatu. Bueno, ez dakit, igual hablan da, Asekerako. Vale.
My handwriting. I don't remember.
Vale, tegaz buelti moten datzu. Bueno, asikeri biosoken antzeku topadot, egazkinen istripue. Iau, zeitzik. Shift, Tab, 1. Amnesia original erregaz alduten zanden, baina...
That's the doctor. I'm here. I'm here. Hello. Hello. This is Tassie. Useless. The door's broken. There was a handle, I think.
Vale, picaporte pa bidot. Martxoak... 1937ko martxoak 3. Bigarren Gerra Mundialako hori izango da? Jo, espero ez esati nazien eta lako gauzak, zer, estan txien... Bueno, vale.
For God's sake, help me!
I remember people were hurt in the crash. I was here. I think. Where did they go? Where's Salim?
It's all right, my friend. We'll get you out.
Bai, ia. Ia zara hemetik.
Leon, Jonathan, give us a hand here.
Bueno, ez dako zer ikusirik lehenengo amnesiagaz. Lehenengo amnesia gaztelu baten esan zan. Eta protagonistide mutibe zan, Adam ditxuten zan dana.
In my case. Left side. Bandages. Quickly.
Bueno, hemetik benda kongo diz. Ez da?
No, Rachel.
Ze coño dau? Mikroskopizo eta lan? Hor maleta gehiago dauz, ezta? Txo.
Not to fry out here.
Vale, gerizpetara zumin nahi. Gustantzin berolar.
Wait, Hank.
We've no choice. We need to get them to shelter.
I know. It's Seven. He's hurt. You know what he's like.
Let's get him down there, then you and I can sit on him while the doc takes a look. Don't worry. The caves aren't far.
Zerkua bat erraunda biodo ze hosti.
Caves.
Hasi gara honegaz. Ez dakit txameti badan bez.
Salim! Salim, are you there?
Bai, eguzkitzetan berugaz prigiditxe zara. Ja, egazkin jere mongotza buelta bat.
I've got to get away from here. Find some proper shelter, or I'll bake.
Bai, amentik zeuzer gehiago ja badauen.
I can't stay around here.
Bai, ez bada, batxi, laster mobiten nagoela atxo. Bitu, korputxe gorritxuten. Bueno, antza ber hori da... Ez da korreten hostia erdi bez. Bueno, ia, almetik... Jode, hemen eskuien dakot, Amnesia Repair, Now Playing da ez da itzelan kendu. Diametiko midoko basuleren bat.
Oh, there is a cave.
Oi, uff.
Oh, thank God.
Thank God, bai. Eta me lasterle lengo sustu,
But it's good, isn't it? People have been here.
Silent will be shot, salt, instead of dying of thirst. I get it.
Leon,
What? I don't get your hypes up. What in shit?
Ze coño dako hor. Bueno, txaprejiten hau, ala, agur. Salata batzuk entzuten dut ez? Joder, txo.
dearest Susan, dearest Alfie, the stories don't do this place justice. It is amazing. You've never seen anywhere as busy as the market in Algiers. The smells, the flavours, the colours, and oh, the joys. I may have picked you both up a little something. You never know your luck. All my love, always. Dan.
Vale. Eskerrik asko aita. Bueno. Sarkasmo betetako mezuek.
She organized those lectures in London, and Charlie back at the Institute recommended her. Got a good head on her. I like her. No, don't you give me that look.
Chocolatia. Bueno, vamos un cobara, se hostia. Cago en la puta.
Oh, Kazi, look at the hands. Such tiny, perfect fingers.
Bueno, txo.
It's all right. I can manage.
Come on. Not far now. Hello? Is anyone there? Salim?
Bai, Salim de aquí. Hobeto esan da. Ez dut ikusten hain fluido hori, Grafikuek ez dut ez ikusten, borroso lez ikusten dut. Ez da etxau lan badan joku,
Hold him more tightly, or the stitching will tear.
I'm sorry. I will be still.
Salim. I have you. I have you.
Bueno, Salim egia zentxoin. Joder, honek hasi izen denak esako arda bierbana egentxo.
Where did they all go?
Beste mandatipe bidean da. Ez dakit zileko barnera baduen. Bai, sería gastado modu no hemen mierdan.
But I can't. I won't stay here. There's something in the tunnels, I swear. I want you stay. You'll be with us, and I'll take care of you. Come here.
Zer da, hau? Mailua. Jose Mataus ba. Yasmin Chabani.
Beautiful girl. Is that your daughter? Yes. My father keeps nagging me for grandchildren. Did you leave her in Paris? Yes. Is she with her
Yasmin, I'd like to check the Sadiola samples are packed up. Give me a hand.
Of course, Mr. Mitchell. Sorry, Hank.
Pentsali antzikin zaudakola somana amnesina baino ingoz. Pentsali bizen arteko nazte batin jabila. Soma bezalako zogu etxo. Hortik etorgar ez da? Joder, txo.
To those who fall, I am Salim.
Omen Salim.
I crashed with the crew of the Cassandra on March 3rd, 1937. I and others were injured. We stayed while the rest of the crew went for help. My companions are dead now, and the radio is broken. I cannot wait alone. There is some sort of creature here. I must go after the crew as best I can. They followed the path through the mountain. I will leave signs. Tazi, if I do not find you, and by some chance you are reading this, know that you are my heart.
Bueno. Romantiko minezko morroia.
Why couldn't you wait? I'll find you. I promise.
Be, hemen beste bideo bat dago, ezta?
Oh no.
Nor da, hau?
Salim. I'm sorry. Without Lucas, I cannot bear it. The rest of you? This is not Salim's fault.
Uf, ja. Joder. Veo ser alemanes? ¿Mm?
Lucas, I think.
Joder, hortik beste bideo bat dago. Edo amendik etor nahi.
you'll know that our situation's a bit sticky. We're off for a walk through the desert to see if we can find a radio or a village or some other sort of help. Everyone's putting a brave face on it. No one really knows what's going on. So maybe this is it. Maybe this is the last you'll hear. If it is, I'm sorry. I suppose it's my fault for wanting a big adventure. I should have stayed home after all. Please tell them both that I love them. Tell Susan that she's the best girl in the world. And tell Alfie to look after his sister. Now I'm sitting here with tears in my eyes and hands are trembling and I just don't know what to write. I don't know how to say goodbye. I can't believe this is goodbye. I love you, my darling girl. I know in my heart we'll see each other again. Even if it's not in this life. You're Jonathan.
Olen ikusi dut, ezta? Baina mendik etor nahi. Laudako testxo. Ia, ez da utxartu jokue, bai... Lehengo zatitzen gauze larle diuteko, ez dakitx. Behonek frictional gamesekuk alako tiez. Joku baino gehiago askotan esaten da... kontagu dauina edo. Adibidez somagaz bebarraini pasatzen da. Joku azken finien histori beta eta bueno, historiz egiz esan soman asko guztazten. Amnesia originalana baino gehiago. Baina musiki azten da gorra hau. Sushi con cosa.
A note, I think.
I went to see Monsieur Esperandio at the market, but he has no more work until next week. I know that Tazi has savings, and I know that something will come, but it is hard. It is not just the two of us now.
This is from Selim's old diary.
Txo, ameti barrozu minai, txo. Jarto gauz edo ze hosti. Bai, horte zo minai.
I'm not sure this is the best idea.
Ja, ezin guba. Susto mando hartu da bante. Vale. Vale, irubide dauz. Ja, txoa, alabatxik ez dago ezer.
Oh, thank God.
Hau alda hartun? Buah. Justa ikusten hosti erdibes, Bezina joan gaztaten edo zelan honek,
She's sleeping now. Maybe dreaming, curling,
Jode, txo, bea txapas. Ze koño, bitxo eta? Iztin bidot,
That's better.
estantxin sohratu txen nahi. Lehengo legia. Amnesiakua.
The shrine of Dove.
Amnesiako lehengo legia. Sartzin zaneko horra, nonora, atie trinke beti. Eta urteten zineko, ati bitxiki beti giritxe. Jakitzeko horti pasazara.
Feels so much better in here.
Bueno, zerlota da nahingo horton. Bueno, vale. Ez dago ezer hemen. Txeak, arbe bai. Hau zelan gorraten da? Gordin bide edo... Guardar itzaliar, vale. Jo, ez dut ikusten hostia erdibes. Txarra ez daula lekorik. Biztuteko zer. Cago en Dios.
Find more light.
Joder, laudako testu.
Yeah, we had a drink. He's okay. Just a bit quiet because his English ain't great. Absolutely head over heels for his wife. Fish that she is.
What was that?
Ba, ze koño esan da horitxo. Zer dau?
A letter came from Hank Mitchell. He offers her work. Journey to French Sudan. I pray that she will take it. It is what what she meant, what both of us need. Rewrite these memories and back into the world.
Bueno, ya. Chapas. Iatxo. Serie putien hona den emini. Hostiak eta biamabi. Hostia!
There's something in my eyes.
Joder, neska.
What's wrong with me?
Honak azmiztu gaztu ingo hostia erdibes. Joder, ez dut ikusten hostia erdibes. Ui, ui, ui. Txo, ze coño usa? Ataque epiléptico de moti edo ez?
What the hell is wrong with me? This isn't where How did I get here? What did I do? It's gone now completely.
Vale, irumizte guarro gaz, ja. Bueno. Nik izan estatzen gustatzen horrek pantalla aldaketak eta... Baina, bueno. Dau zera bitzen, arribete gaz? Joder, txo. Espeleologia hitzen berton. Gauz eta gaz.
This thing on my wrist, it feels alive. Is it mine? I don't remember.
Bazetako koño da muletu, Ah, jakitxeko bidi nonditan, ez da? Vale. Portalen bat ikiritzen da uzuteko bide bintzeko, beste barik.
Hey, how are you doing?
Christ's name. How could I leave him? I know it makes sense, everything he said, but it's such stupid fucking self-sacrificing bullshit.
Listen, I know Celine, and I know you. I know what you're capable of. He'll make it, and you'll get back to him even if all hell stands in your way.
So fucking scared.
I know.
Jo, bazen hori, ia. Pongo teniendo rollo charracho. Joder, cho. Y tú deben y luego, güey.
Torches. Someone's been here. Hello? Anyone?
La cojonantia zelako musikidakon. Nazelako zaratak. Igual grafikoki ez da munduko biena, bai... Ez da hau kopize badauien Alien Isolationeko hori, jakitzeko non dauen aliena eta bide batez non ditan bidi jakitzeko. Izelei alako... Brujelo bat. Bai, horbe portala giritzen da.
I was able to meet them in the park this afternoon after talking to the factory manager, Dina. A proud moment. Alice has learned to count to 3 with her blocks.
She did. She did. She showed me. There. In the park.
Bitu. Hostia. Antza bidez berdin eta uzuteko lekutara, Eta horren sensazio mondoztu. Zelen beharkakusok esan dau bestera batera ziatxola jokua. Beste bateri, ez dakit nori. Bajoi bete monda, bai... Ez da gustatzen notan lepotetek ibiltxia. Ez dakitzeneko bidin hondi koño dan. Vale, ongo da besteren bat hortik. Hau oso Outlast da,
Look at this place. It can't be real.
Jo, zelako lekutxo. Osea, hau está moviten edo zer. Trugonadak.
My bracelet. It's glowing again.
Pua. Beti bera esango da. Hemen misto batzu topateko gatz, ez da?
Christ.
Boa! Zelako ambientazio dako honek jokuek. Hala, hemen itxikot. Ja... Ordutxue pasa delakon. Eta espero... Gustatu izena, niri egiz esan asko gustadaz. Eta, bueno, segikot jolasten bai edo bai. Igual gau ez, bai... Baina, seguru jolasken segikotela. Ai, ama. Bueno, beste barik. Segiku beste baten... Amenizera jolasten. Bai, txingotzo, estan txin gero luzi zekartuten dizonek gameplayek. Ordutxu bategaz ondo gala pentsan dut. Bueno, arkaku zuetino Kixote lehiduko honegaz joku bat, bai. Bai, frikzionalekalako zukuk itzen dauz, asko lidutekuk eta historizen baron ondo murgilduteko. Top, dino honek arkako zo. Zer, gustadatxu? Ni banoa pixkat irakurtzera, nik ja garkoz lidu nahiko. Hala, bueno, hau ematen nuen eta izango eta YouTubera zatitxue. Hala, eskerik asko ikustera itxik. Geharte.